Your agent does more than talk. It can log tasks, transfer emergencies, and text patients back. Here are 3 skills that turn it from a phone tree into a teammate, starting with task assignments. When a call triggers any of the reasons listed under task assignments, your agent then logs a task for your team to follow up on. You can set up to 20 task triggers and choose which team members own each task. Additionally, on the bottom, there are toggles for always create a task, which creates a follow-up task for every call, even when a specific reason isn't triggered. Combine reasons into one task. This toggle is ideal for locations that often have multiple triggers occur within one call and want one task produced per call. In the agent instructions, you can outline what information the agent needs to be collecting in the task note, such as contact, patient, or insurance information. To navigate to your task, you'll go ahead and click on the left-hand side dashboard on tasks, which will bring you to a page showing you your open, in progress, and done task. You can also change the view from board to list. By clicking on tasks, you can see the assignees, when the task was created, and a brief description of what the caller was asking for. The next skill is call transfers. Call transfers allow your agent to transfer calls to a specific team member or phone number. In this example, we have a call transfer whenever a caller is experiencing a dental emergency that is triaged to our front desk member, Dia. You can set up to a total of 10 call transfer reasons and even set scheduled transfer actions. Lastly, we have follow-up texts and notifications. Follow-up texts are automatically sent out after a call finishes whenever a reason is met. In our example, the caller agrees to receive a booking confirmation over text, and the message template we have sent out is the booking confirmation. Below follow-up text, we have, lastly, text notifications. Similar to the other skills, this is triggered by a specific reason. In our example, we have the demo doctor's number, followed by the reason, and the message template includes that the caller is requesting a treatment that the agent can't handle independently. In order to create new message snippets, simply click on the bottom of Create and Edit Snippets, create snippet, and then title your snippet with the desired content and click Save. Now, your agent no longer picks up the phone, it also acts. Get started with your new teammate today, starting off with tasks.